The longest train I ever saw was on that Choctaw line. The engine passed at 6 o'clock, and the cab come around at 9. The prettiest girl I ever saw lived down that railroad track. Red rosy cheeks and blue eyes fair, and the curls hung down her back. My darling was killed last Friday night, just a half a mile from town. Her head was laying on the boxcar floor. Her body has never been found. Little girl, what makes you treat me so? You taken my clothes and throw them outdoors, and me no place to go. The longest train I ever saw